Hello guys, today we're going to talk about system of linear equations. In our previous lesson we were talking about just linear equations themselves, but today we're going to talk about system of linear equations. And then basically, in short, system of linear equations is this type of equation. We have just two linear equations and we need to find out answers which will be okay for both first part and then the second part. Yeah, I think you got it. And then here are two ways how to solve them. First of all, it's addition method, and then substitution method. This is a basically plan of our today's lesson. So now let's look to our addition method, and now we're gonna solve this system of our first problem. And then basically addition method, what does it mean? When we're making our x's or our y's similar. So here basically, as you can see, in order to make 2x similar to minus 8x, we just multiply 2x into minus 4 so that it becomes minus 8x. Yes? Oh my god. Yeah. Basically like that. But here is the problem. Whenever we have minus, it changes all signs. That's why it will be beneficial and it will be even better for us to use 5y. Yeah. In order to make 5y 15, we just multiply 5y into 3 so that it becomes 15y. Yeah, basically yes, it becomes 15y. Oh, what happened? Guys, if there's some problems, sorry for that, but I'll try to do my best in order to explain you. So here what we do is to multiply first part to 3, and our system becomes like that, becomes this. Yeah, so we'll have 2x multiplied by 3, it will be 6x plus 15y equals to 0, because we're multiplying everything to 3. And then the second part, will not change it. Plus 15y equals to 7. Here basically what we're going to do is that we have similar y's, they're similar. What happened? They're similar, 15y and 15y, which means we can we can just minus them. So yes, basically we can work with two of them, with first part and the second part at the same time. So our equation will become like that: 6x minus 8 equals to minus 7, because 0 minus 7, it's minus 7. So 6x minus 8 becomes 6x plus 8x. It will be 14x equals to minus 7. So in order to find x, we just divide 2 parts into 14. So it becomes minus 1 over 2, or minus 0.5. Oh my god, 0.5. Yeah. Here we got our first x. X equals to minus 1 over 2 or minus 0.5. So they're the same. And then in order to find y, we put our x into what happened? Yeah, our x into first or second equation. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's put it into second part, and then it becomes like that. Minus 8 minus 8. I mean, I changed the color and I forgot to change it again. Multiply by minus 0.5. 5 I said, yeah, and plus 15y equals to 7, and then minus 8 minus 0.5, it becomes 4, because 2 minus practically give us plus, so two negatives become positive. Plus 15y equals to 7. As I mentioned in our previous lesson, we just minus 4 from both first part and then the second part, and then it becomes 15y equals to 7 minus 4, and then 51y equals to 3. So that y equals to now 3 over 15, or I mean, we can make it better. It will be 1 over 5, or it will be 0.2. Yeah. So here basically, guys, we found two answers for this system of linear equations. First of all, x equals to minus 1 over 2, and then y equals to 1 over 5. So basically, when you write down the answer, you should write like in brackets. You should write minus 1 over 2, semicolon, 1 over 5. Why we do such things? Because when we want to write an answer, first of all, x comes first, and then y, and then you can say x our is minus 1 over 2, and our y is 1 over 5. So you just see, this is the way how we solved our let's say our system of linear equations with first method, addition method. And then let me just clear everything here, and then we will move on to substitution method. I guess everything was understandable. I did my best, guys. I did my best. And then let me just clear everything here. Yeah, I think everything is clear right now. I guess so. I hope so. So then, let's move to our second is substitution method. Let's talk about substitution method. Basically, in our substitution method, we just substitute our either y or, oh my god, what's happening, guys? What's happening? I'm so sorry for that. Basically, in our substitution method, what we do is to free our x. We need to free our x. And how we're going to do it? 2x plus 5y equals to 0. And then minus 8x plus 15y equals to 7. So here basically what we do is just free the x or y. In my opinion, it will be better when we free the x. Yeah, we need to find the x itself. Yeah, just x. In this case, just we should look to the first part of our linear equation. So basically, we'll have something like that. 2x equals to minus 5y, because we transport our 5y through the sign of so the equal sign, so that it becomes negative, and then x equals to minus 5 over 2 multiplied by y. Yeah, and then we just generally we just put it this into this side. We just put this x into this, and how it will look, just let me just open it again, and how it will look, minus 8 multiplied by, open the brackets, minus 5 over 2, yeah, multiplied by y, multiplied by y, yeah, close the brackets, plus 15y equals to 7. So here, basically, minus 8 and minus 2 is cancelled, so that we'll have something like that. 4 multiplied by 5 y plus 15y equals to 7. So here we're just having 20y, 35y equals to 7. And then y equals to how many? Yeah, again 1 over 5. Yeah, as you see, and then as you can guess, we just put this y into this side, so that it becomes x equals to x equals to minus 5 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 5. So here basically we're having something like that. Let me just write it down for you guys. Everything is for you to answer, for you to find the answer yourself. Multiplied by 1 over 5. So here basically 5 fifths are cancelled, and we're having again which answer? Yes, negative 1 over 2. Yes, let me just clear here everything. The answer is minus 1 over 2, as you can see, as it was in previous time. Open it again. Let me just open it again. And then the answer is, as we found it, minus 1 over 2, or 0.5, negative 0.5. So here again, we write down the answers like that. We found it, guys. We found it. We did it. X, Y. The same, guys. Minus 0.5, and then 1 over 5. We can simplify it like 0.2. Yeah, you can generally use your calculator, but it becomes like this: x, y. I mean, minus 0.5 and then 1 over 2 are the same, generally the same answer, the same thing. We can just write down in a different way. So basically, this is our addition method and substitution method at the same time. I guess, guys, everything was okay and understandable. If it's like that, if so, please subscribe and like the video. So thank you guys, goodbye.